This interactive program allows you to build virtual circuits on a breadboard for an Arduino Uno. It will help instructors build circuits dynamically during the class sessions, and allow students to build a virtual circuit before implementing the actual circuit itself. Instructors may use a screen copy in their course materials, and students may use the screen copy of the virtual circuits they build for their homework assignments. Here is how to use this program. On the top right of the screen you will see wires to be used in your virtual circuit. By left-clicking the mouse on the colored section of a wire you may drag and drop it anywhere on the breadboard. The colored wire acts as a handle for you to drag a wire as a whole. On the other hand, the circles at the end of the wires are handles for you to extend the wire to the point you want to. Therefore, by putting your mouse on a circle and left-clicking the mouse you can extend the wire to the desired point on the breadboard. When you release the mouse, the wire will be placed on the breadboard at that location. You can do the same steps for the other end of the wire to complete the operation. You may see the components such as red and green LEDs and resistor on the bottom right of the screen. You can drag these components on breadboard and use them in your virtual circuit design. By double-clicking on any component on the breadboard you can rotate it 90 degrees in the clockwise direction. You can rotate a component as many times as you want to bring it to desired position. Due to the flexibility of the wires, there is no need for a rotation property for them. LEDs and resistors have circles on both ends. You can extend these circles to extend the wire connected to it to properly place them on breadboard. The value of the text can be changed to any value such as 880 or 10K to change resistor values. Before dragging any resistor onto the breadboard, type a resistor value into the text area, such as 10K, and then drag the resistor to the breadboard. Please do not, I repeat, do not press Enter key when you enter the resistor value. The character next to the text box, MSF, corresponds to the handles for a component which are used less, such as motor or servo. When you bring your mouse on the character, a tooltip will appear. This tooltip will show the name and the image of the component. You can drag the character to any position on the breadboard. As soon as you release the mouse, the component will appear on the breadboard. You can clear everything from the breadboard and restart from scratch by pressing the reset button on the Arduino image. Let's compose a simple blinking circuit. I will use the red LED for the circuit. First we will drag the LED onto the breadboard and place it in an appropriate place. Then we will drag a 560 ohm resistor onto the board and connect it to the LED and to the ground. Finally we will attach the anode of the LED to the digital output number 13 on Arduino board. That's it. Before we complete our video, let's clear our circuit, by pressing the reset button. Thank you for watching our videos.